Hi, I'm Ilir Sadriu, Head of Europe North.
And I'm John Stead, Manager for the Indirect Channel in Europe.
We are here to talk about what really defines us, the FlexLink DNA. For us, it's all about innovation, reliability and modularity. We see that in our work every single day.
Sure, but it's not just about technology. It's also about teamwork, trust and solutions that grow with you. That's what makes FlexLink different. Especially with our building blocks concept, modular blocks that allow us to adapt and reconfigure systems as our customers evolve.
Our automation engineers combine programming with a deep understanding of material flow, creating smart and reliable solutions.
And we do it together. By collaborating from the start, we help customers spot bottlenecks, visualize data and build smarter, more efficient lines.
And that's the FlexLink DNA, built to evolve and always moving forward together. Explore our website to learn more.